gosh. I'm so excited. For Second Chance Dry Shampoo, More Major Moment Hairspray, and Inner Strength Avocado Hair Mask. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for stickers. These are so cute too. Oh my gosh. I don't even remember what I ordered. I'm so excited. I got a 30-pack. So cute. Oh, yay. We got more travel size Shine Bright shampoo and conditioner. I've been wanting one of these. It's from the Jeremy Collection scrunchie. I love my scrunchie. Ooh, I've been wanting one of these. It's the Epic Flex Styling Gel. The Catwalk Derby Clips. A braid balm. I've been loving this. The Catwalk Coast Pro. Ooh, I am so excited for this one. I've been wanting this. 0.75 in Pink Catwalk. I'm so excited to use this one.